Hey, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to be blown away? Join us as we dive into a world where innovation meets craftsmanship. Subscribe now and never miss an episode of mind-blowing tech in action. Let's get started. Now you know how to unload a truck in a flash with the load handler in your truck bed. Here's the perfect solution for safeguarding against falling roof ice during winter. Give your car a treat and introduce it to this fantastic undercarriage cleaner. Simply pour cement into this machine and see how the curb slowly takes shape. Check out these huge machines that lay down train tracks just by using a remote control. It's pretty cool. Seeing this device work without creating any dust and make a perfect cut is truly enjoyable. Exciting news! You won't need to buy a garage anymore. It seems like the go-to corn supplier for movie theaters has arrived. This awesome leaf vacuum is sure to leave your streets sparkling clean. This electronic spoon is a gem for anyone keeping track of their calorie intake. For those struggling with a mess of tangled cables, this is a real game changer. Did you know there's a vacuum cleaner specifically designed for collecting dandelion fluff? Drop a comment right now and let us know which color luminous tire cap you're excited to get. It's pretty amazing that train safety hinges on a tiny tool like this for installing rail clips. This simple plastic applicator gives you the best seal you could ask for. Hammering in wooden posts of this size manually would be nearly impossible. I've got it figured out. I know just what you're wishing for your birthday. Isn't it absolutely spot on? Check it out, a staircase you can tote around wherever you go. How cool is that? The way this tool turns tough jobs into a breeze is just mind-blowing. It seems like it can definitely sand walls until they feel silky smooth. Say hello to convenience. Now, washcloths and sponges have their own bathroom buddy with a built-in wringer. With this sprayer, you'll never have to stress about getting the spray angle just right. Say goodbye to the agony of digging up soil. It's a breeze from now on. Get flawless cuts in foam with a knife that heats up to a whopping 500 degrees Celsius in no time. Check out this multi-purpose excavator tool that can tidy up after the job is finished. Every home needs a gas stove that's as convenient as this one. This tiny detail makes sure you stay safe while working on stairs. In just a few seconds, the socket hole is ready to go. I bet you've never seen a smarter way to haul sand than this. Check out this essential hook. It could be a real lifesaver in any situation. Turn work into a breeze with this incredible motorized wheelbarrow, making your tasks a whole lot more enjoyable. Get ready for lightning fast speed! Seeing this tool in action is just captivating. It's hard to look away. Check out this metal cutting team that nails every single cut. Isn't it incredible? The road to the future is being built by a fully automatic paving machine. Say goodbye to dustpans forever with this handy built-in vacuum. With this mechanical press system, you won't waste a drop of juice. It squeezes out every last bit. This spool can spray water up to 100 meters in all directions. Talk about impressive. Nothing stands a chance against this amazing device after a thorough burn. So, what do you think? Pretty amazing, huh? We'd love to hear which of these tools you'd pick if you could grab one right now. Drop a comment below and make sure to like and subscribe. See you soon.